Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: projector, the correct cable, remote, and a charged laptop. Plug power in and press the power button. You want the lamp warming up for a steady image. Once done, connect the video cable to the projector and laptop. This establishes the signal path so you won't chase audio first. Make sure the room is dim and the screen is unobstructed so focus and keystone adjustments are meaningful, not compensating for glare or clutter. You now select the input on the projector that matches your cable. This tells the unit which feed to show. On your laptop, choose Duplicate or Extend Display and set the resolution to the projector's native value so text is sharp. Once the signal is present, adjust focus and keystone to square the image. Zoom or move the projector for size. Because classroom layouts vary, use a test image or grid to confirm alignment and legibility from the back row. You finish by routing audio to the best option: projector speakers for small rooms or the external system for clarity, so students hear multimedia. Once set, open your slides, enable presentation mode, and silence notifications so the session runs smoothly. Finally, walk the room to verify readability and remote control range. If the image fails, check cable seating, input selection, and laptop sleep settings. One common fix is unplugging and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.